Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 22 septembre. You are going to have either a Flipgrid or I will see you at our meet in about an hour at 8:45. But either way, you're going to need to do our mot de passe et la question du jour, which I'll detail when I talk about the Flipgrid momentarily. You have a This Day in History, but just reading it, seeing what you can understand with my help. You're going to continue practicing la chanson et les gestes. During our meet, we're going to have une personne spéciale. We'll do the interview and the write and discuss during the meet, and I will have that recording for you by the end of the day. And then your quiz will be available by tomorrow morning, so you'll have that to complete tomorrow. Okay, Flipgrid, if you are not at our meet, this is the link to it. You're going to start with bonjour, your mot de passe. Oh, and actually, you know what? I added this in and I forgot to add it here. Also introduce yourself today. So, bonjour, je m'appelle Bob, je m'appelle Jerry, etc. Le mot de passe, comment dit-on? Comment dit-on? Et puis, qu'est-ce que tu aimes, qu'est-ce que tu n'aimes pas? So you can go to slide 7 and look at this presentation to see some options for that. So you can say, and we looked at this on Monday as well, j'aime la pizza, je n'aime pas les dinosaures, etc. There are like 50 different choices for what you can say j'aime et je n'aime pas. Okay. Après ça, this day in history, aujourd'hui dans l'histoire. Actually, sorry, after you do that, you're going to say goodbye, au revoir, and that's it. Okay, aujourd'hui dans l'histoire, aujourd'hui c'est mercredi le 22 septembre en 1981. Le président français François Mitterrand a inauguré le premier train à grande vitesse. So le train à grande vitesse is vitesse is referring to speed, grande vitesse, so it goes really fast. Un train entre Paris et Lyon. So it started in Paris and went to Lyon. And I don't have a map handy right now. Pull one up really fast so you can see. Okay. So Paris, c'est ici, Lyon, ici. So you can see about how far that voyage would have been. Avant, before, c'était un voyage de 4 heures. The trip was 4 hours. En TGV, le voyage dure, lasts, 2 heures et 40 minutes. So it took a significant amount of time off of the original time that would have taken to travel that far. Le premier, first TGV avait un prénom. Il s'appelait Patrick. Voilà, Patrick. Prénom is a first name, as opposed to, if we just look at this word nom, that's more referring to your last name. So un prénom is specifically your first name. Il avait un prénom et il s'appelait Patrick. Patrick a pris sa retraite en 2020. A pris sa retraite, he went into retirement après avoir voyagé 13,5 millions de kilomètres au total. So that was the amount of kilometers, because the French use the metric system like most of the world, that Patrick, this train, did in his career. So pretty impressive. Le train grande vitesse is a really helpful way to get around in France. less expensive than flying, and it gets you places pretty quickly. Okay. We are going to be doing an interview with Une Personne Spéciale during our meet today. So the questions are actually going to be the same as last week, although we are going to look at this question as well, which we did not do last week. And your write and discuss will be here, but also I've included a link to all of your stories so you can get to those write and discuss pretty easily that way. Just FYI, I also put a link to those stories on Schoology. So if you look at the very top here, didn't need to do that. The very top of your Schoology page, you see Histoire, your class stories. So I'm going to keep this here, and it'll just be a running document, a continually updated document that has all of our write and discuss. So we are have all of our stories in one place. Okay, that is it for today. Hope to see a few of you in just a little bit. Au revoir tout le monde.